Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn easy English with me, Rihanna Uwaisi. Here our topic is legends never die. So let's start our today's topic. Legend. This word has two meanings. First, it's called myth or fiction to those past stories which became popular or became legend. Second, we call legend to those people who did good, or I should say amazing contributions to the world with their work, abilities, qualities and got known forever. We are living in a country, Pakistan, which is full of legendary people in every field almost. For instance, from our great guide Muhammad Ali Jinnah to Abdul Sattar Aidhi, Miss Fatima Jinnah to Benazir Bhutto Shaheed, M.M. Alam to Dr. Qadir Khan, Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed to Rashid Minhas Shaheed, Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan to Madam Noor Jahan, Tariq Aziz to Dr. Amir Liaquat etc. If we start to count and talk about them, perhaps the day will end. But today, I like to talk about a lady who wasn't born in Pakistan but devoted her life for Pakistan and for Pakistani people and served Pakistan unconditionally. That people gave her name Mother Teresa of Pakistan. That lady was Dr. Ruth Katherine Martha. She was born in Germany on 9 September 1929. She was a Catholic religious sister and physician and the member of Society of the Daughter of Heart and Mary. She immigrated from Germany in 1961 to Pakistan and devoted more than 50 years of her life fighting leprosy in Pakistan. Leprosy is a disease which is called kor in Urdu. It's an infection caused by slow-growing bacteria called Mycobacterium leprae. It's very dangerous and infect almost every part of the body of a person, and it could take him or her to death. But if a person aware about it early, it can be cured. Dr. Ruth Katherine contributed in establishing 157 leprosy clinics across Pakistan, which treated over 56,780 people. Ruth, recognized in Pakistan and abroad as a distinguished human being and had been awarded many honors like Hilal-e-Pakistan, Hilal-e-Imtiaz, Nishan-e-Qaid-e-Azam and Sitara-e-Qaid-e-Azam awards. She wrote 4 books in German about her work in Pakistan. She was well respected by Muslims in Pakistan for her nobility. As Salim Masih said that she never talked about religion, yet her faith, services and love were demonstration of the spirit that inspired interreligious dialogue. This noble lady passed away in August 2017 and was buried in full state honors. A lady who set the good example of nobility. Maybe she died as a human, but her actions will make her remain alive in a world. As an old saying, heroes always get remembered, but legends never die. So that's it for today's video. Hope you all like my work. For more videos, please subscribe my channel, like and share and comment too. Thank you. Inshallah, we will meet in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself and others too. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.